Hi there, you're welcome to this session on Microsoft Excel tutorial. As you continue building your skills in Microsoft Excel, one of the most powerful concepts you'll encounter is lookup functions. Lookup functions are designed to search for specific information within a dataset and return related results from another part of that data. Instead of manually scanning through rows and columns, Excel can instantly find what you're looking for and display the corresponding value. This is especially useful when working with large tables, where locating data manually would be time-consuming and inefficient. Functions like XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, and HLOOKUP allow Excel to match values such as IDs, names, or categories and return associated information like prices, departments, or scores. Each lookup function has its own method of searching through data, but they all serve the same purpose, helping you retrieve information quickly and accurately. As you learn these functions, you'll begin to see how Excel can connect data across tables, automate searches, and significantly improve the efficiency of your workflow. Excel includes several lookup functions designed to retrieve data from tables. VLOOKUP searches vertically down a column to locate a value and return related information. HLOOKUP performs similar operation but searches horizontally across a row. XLOOKUP is the modern replacement that improves flexibility. It can search both vertically and horizontally and does not require users to count column or row index numbers. In this worksheet, a vertical table on the left demonstrates how VLOOKUP retrieves a name by searching down a column of employee IDs. On the right side, a horizontal table shows how HLOOKUP retrieves a product price by searching across the top row. Below these examples, the XLOOKUP formula performs the same retrieval from the vertical table without requiring a column index number. This streamlined approach makes XLOOKUP easier to use and reduces errors when working with structured data.